Namaskar, good morning. Today I am going to make a recipe of plain paratha. I will show two way with lot of, like, people use oils with the layers and without oil also. So let's prepare for this. So I have a 1.5 cup wheat flour. Sometimes people use all purpose flour, which is not really very healthy, and I will put little salt and little azwain, thyme seed. And this oil will be used, it's avocado oil. It will be used only to make parathas. Try to make a better paratha without using too much oil. So let's see now. I'm going to add very little salt just for taste. This is a 1/4 teaspoon. I'll just put here, and this is half teaspoon azwain. So you can do like 1.5. So mix this first well. So the salt and thymes goes all over, mix very nice. Put little water and mix it. First see how much water you need. And because it is plain paratha, so you don't have to really worry about like making loose or what, but dough should always be not very hard. You should make lighter. So mix it well. What I believe that we should try to avoid unnecessarily oil in our food. That eventually gives problem in our health. When we are young, we do not realize, but after 40 years, the all consequences comes up suddenly. So it's always good to prevent the illness. Prevention is better than cure. So what I'm going to do, I will just put this aside to, as usual, let water be observed in dough nicely, so the parathas can be softer and healthy. So I will just let it sit there, and I'll cover it and let it sit. Meanwhile, the potatoes are cooking already. I can check the dough, how it's turning. So it seems like it needs little more flour. So I can add little more flour. Not much. Now I will just take very tiny, like I will just dip my hand into water just to knead the dough. Every dough needs little time and little hand exercise, because you have to really knead nicely. So good dough is, you can see the good dough is that after making it, it will not get stuck. That means the dough is ready. So you see, like, the pot is cleaned with dough. That's the sign of making good dough. So dough is ready now for paratha. Was resting little more minutes. Now my dough is perfect. So I will take this much dough in my hand and just make it even. And I have very tiny dry wheat flour. So I'll use this little bit wheat flour for rolling it. So you first roll little, and when you're rolling, you may feel like I'm pushing it. I'm actually not really giving pressure. I'm very gently I'm using this chapati roller, and I will use very tiny, like with hand, very tiny oil here and fold. So when you fold it, always remember that always fold like you should remain this edges. Don't fold all the way here, because this will make layers. And I will fold again, and I will fold here before. Use little bit. Do not use lot of dry flour, wheat flour, because then it will burn on the pan, because you are going to use oil. So now you see how I am going to use roller very softly and making sure that the edges are thin in compared to the middle. So paratha is ready. I will put here, and heat is very important for making paratha. If you make very low heat, it's still not good. If you make it paratha on very high, it's not good. So you have to see that heat should be medium. You can make instead of using oil, you can just use the wheat flour. Let me check this. So how it has changed the color, has become darker. I will turn it on other side. And now instead of putting oil here, what I will do, I will just sprinkle wheat flour. If somebody wants to eat same paratha with less oil, has cholesterol or some other problems, they can just use wheat flour and fold. So you can see how the layers are made. You can see here, I do not fold all the way up to here. I fold before it comes to the end. So let me check this. Just little bit oil I can do here and mix it, spread it everywhere. You see, very little oil I will use for paratha. I will just spread it in a way that it goes everywhere. So you can see the layers coming out. And parathas are always good, tasty when you eat them very, very hot. So you see here the layer, it's just coming out itself. So there is always technique, to make the layer. Many people, they fold many times and they use lot of oil, which I don't really prefer. So you always have to fold before the end comes. So you can see now this very crispy paratha is ready. So we will just wait to change the color. Once the color is changed, that means it's done. And you can check also. So it's kind of done here. If you are not used to making chapatis and parathas, please do not touch with the hand. You may burn your fingers. I'm just used to, so I know how to and for how long I can touch. You see this, I have not used oil, still the layers are coming. So this is like parathas with less oil, using less oil. You see how separately layer is coming. So we do not have to really use a lot of oil to make layers in paratha. Ready, they are cooked very well, and they are ready to go with parathas.
The purple color yogurt. This looks like a blueberry yogurt.
So parathas is ready. Our complete dish is ready with the yogurt, purple cabbage and potato and our paratha. And we'll see you again in next video. Namaskar.